Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best paddleboards for dogs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Isle Glider Rigid Epoxy Stand-Up Paddleboard. The Isle Glider is one of the most stable boards you can find. It's perfect for balancing yourself plus your dog. This attractive and durable board will easily glide over the water, even when there's a bit of wake to contend with. This board may be large, but it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, and its bungees allow you to bring along water and a bowl to keep your dog hydrated. This board also comes with a leash and paddle, great added value. We love that the fin is removable, so you can transport and store it more easily. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Isle Versa Rigid Stand-Up Paddleboard. Want to practice your downward dog as your dog hangs 10? This is the board for that. The Isle Versa offers unbeatable stability and durability. Its extra-wide deck allows even the most inexperienced paddleboarders to enjoy a day on the water with their dogs. Like other Isle boards, this one is ultra-lightweight, easy to use, and built to be as tough as you are. Skip the time it takes to pump up your board and hit the water within minutes of putting your car in park. We love that this board comes with a handle to make carrying it while holding a dog leash just a bit easier. It also comes with great accessories. At number 3, we have the Pelican Hardshell Stand-Up Paddleboard. Want a versatile board with enough room for you and your fuzzy buddy, but don't want to break the bank? The Pelican Hardshell is an excellent choice. This board has all the bells and whistles, like a durable and comfortable anti-slip pad, bungees for your extra gear, and handles to make lugging it to the shore easy. If you're new to stand-up paddleboarding, or your dog likes to rock the boat, you will love that this board has grooves on the underside for added stability. At number 2, we have the Lifetime Horizon 100 Hardshell Stand-Up Paddleboard. This board is great for the price. It is a great investment for beginner boarders who want to find out if stand-up paddleboarding with their dogs is a hobby they want to hang on to. The Lifetime Horizon is built for convenience and ease in the water. It has a large textured deck, a carrying handle, a mount for your GoPro, and a bungee for your extra gear. This stand-up paddleboard is built like a tank. It will help you stay upright and above the waterline. We love the retractable fin and that it comes with a paddle. It also has built-in channels for added stability. This model is also great for heavyweight people and pups. And finally, at number 1, we have the iROCKER All-Around Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. The iROCKER All-Around is as rigid, rugged, and maneuverable as any hardshell board on the market. Not only is this board strong, but it's also extremely attractive. What sets this amazing board apart from its competition? It can hold a lot of weight. iROCKER also does not skimp when it comes to the quality of the board, pump, or the included paddle. It also features some great extras like front and back bungee straps, a carrying handle, a padded shoulder strap, an inner stabilizer, a backpack for transport, and 2 front safety handles. It also has 2 mounting locations for your camera. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.